Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the print screen button from opening the screen snipping tool after you're done taking a screen snipping or screenshot. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then you want to scroll down again underneath on-screen keyboard, access keys, and print screen. Use the print screen key to open the snipping tool. If you do not want to use the print screen key to open up the snipping tool, toggle this to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.